Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're going over a couple of jigs that we have here at Paracord Planet. So here are two of the monkey fist jigs that we carry. They're both made by Jig Pro Shop, and they're a little bit different style. This one is ideal for people making lots of monkey fists. It has a nice stand that sits on your desk, and it also can spin so that you can move it as you're making the monkey fist. To resize it, you just unscrew these pegs and put them in the correct hole. The other thing that's nice about this jig is that it comes with a sizing chart so that you know how many passes you need to put of paracord around your core for your different size cores. Personally, I really like this monkey fist jig. You can easily loosen the peg and slide it to the size you want, and it can actually make a bigger monkey fist than our ones on the stands can. We have a couple different sizes of these ones that can get bigger than the one I'm showing you today, but this one can go bigger than all of them, and it can collapse down into your pocket. So depending on what you're doing with monkey fists, either one of these might be the better tool for you. Moving on to bracelet jigs, we've got a couple different sizes of these as well. At the most basic, you can get a 10-inch one that will also slide down to about 5 or 6 inches here. What you do is just attach a buckle, and then you can clip the bracelet that you're making right into it. Pretty straightforward. Then this one here will go up to 2 feet. And the other nice thing about this is that you've got multiple attachment points. There's a couple different sizes in between these two, and they'll have some combination of the features. But this 24-inch one has a couple different sizes of buckle so that you don't have to change them out each time. And it also has this empty one that you can put a bar across for making different kinds of bracelets and different kinds of slings and straps that don't use a buckle. So 24 inches should be big enough for most projects, but if it's not, we do have one bigger size. This 60-inch jig should be more than enough for any project you can throw at it. It's great for making rifle slings and guitar straps and the like, and also for belts. It also has these multiple buckle sizes and attachment points that the 24-inch one does, and so this is really the ultimate tool for bracelet belt jigs. It can collapse down to about the same size as this 24-inch, so it's really not that hard to store. Most bracelets and belts really can be made without these jigs. They're not an absolutely necessary tool, especially if you're sticking to basic weaves like the cobra or a fishtail. But once you start getting into some of the more complicated weaves, these really do help, and they're going to speed up the process quite a bit. So I hope you guys liked that little overview of some of the jigs that we carry. Definitely check those out in our store. We've got more that we didn't feature here as well, so take a look around. If you guys enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe, and even hit the notification bell so that you never miss an update when we come up with our future videos, like that guitar strap we were talking about. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.